Welcome to HVAC Exam Practice Test. Our topic today is refrigerants. Question 1. What is the significance of latent heat in the refrigeration cycle? A. It determines how much energy is required to change a refrigerant from gas to liquid. B. It influences the efficiency of compressors. C. It is the heat released when refrigerant condenses. D. It helps to increase the boiling point of refrigerants. The correct answer is C. It is the heat released when refrigerant condenses. Explanation: latent heat is the amount of heat a substance absorbs or releases during a phase change without changing temperature. In refrigeration, the refrigerant absorbs latent heat when it evaporates in the evaporator, cooling the surrounding air or space, and releases latent heat when it condenses in the condenser. This heat transfer is the core principle that makes refrigeration work. Question 2. Which refrigerant has the lowest boiling point among Freon products, making it suitable for deep freezing applications? A. Freon 11. B. Freon 13. C. Freon 502. D. Freon 12. The correct answer is B. Freon 13. Explanation: Freon 13 has an extremely low boiling point of about -114 degrees Fahrenheit, -81 degrees Celsius, allowing it to absorb heat effectively at very low temperatures, which makes it ideal for deep freezing and cryogenic refrigeration applications. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching HVAC TruePrep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 3. What is the main reason why newer refrigerants like carbon dioxide and ammonia are preferred over Freon 12 and Freon 22? A. They have no ozone-depleting effects. B. They are more efficient. C. They are easier to store. D. They are less expensive. The correct answer is A. They have no ozone-depleting effects. Explanation: the key reason for shifting from older refrigerants such as Freon 12, R12, and Freon 22, R22, to natural refrigerants like CO2, R744, and ammonia, R717, is their environmental impact. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, like R12, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs, like R22, contain chlorine, which destroys the ozone layer and contributes to global warming. CO2 and ammonia, by contrast, have zero ozone depletion potential, ODP, and are aligned with international agreements like the Montreal Protocol to phase out ozone-depleting substances. Question 4. Which of the following refrigerants is a mixture of R22, R125, and R290? A. R407. C. B. Freon 502. C. R134A. D. R12. The correct answer is AR407. Explanation: R407C is a zeotropic blend made up of three refrigerants: R22 chlorodifluoromethane, R125 pentafluoroethane, and R290 propane. It was developed as a replacement for R22 in air conditioning and heat pump systems. Because it is a blend, R407C has a noticeable temperature glide, meaning the boiling and condensing temperatures vary during phase change. Question 5. Chemicals used for refrigerants can be broken down into two groups. What are they? A. Liquid and solid. B. Water and ice. C. Organic and inorganic. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Organic and inorganic. Explanation: refrigerant chemicals are broadly classified into organic and inorganic groups. Organic refrigerants are carbon-based compounds such as CFCSR12, HCFCSR22, HFCSR134A, and HCS-propane isobutane. Inorganic refrigerants are non-carbon compounds such as ammonia, R717, carbon dioxide, R744, sulfur dioxide, and water. This classification helps in understanding their chemical properties, environmental impact, and system applications. Question 6. What refrigerant can be either a colorless gas or liquid? A. Sulfur dioxide. B. Sulfur oxide. C. Sulfur. D. Sulfur trioxide. The correct answer is a sulfur dioxide. Explanation: sulfur dioxide, SO2, has historically been used as a refrigerant and is known for being colorless in both its gas and liquid states. It can change phase depending on temperature and pressure, which is why it has been used in refrigeration cycles. However, it is toxic and corrosive, so it is rarely used in modern systems. Question 7. Which refrigerant is used most frequently in large industrial plants? A. Calcium chloride. B. Ammonia. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is B. Ammonia. Explanation: ammonia, R717, is the most widely used refrigerant in large industrial plants. It is highly efficient, cost-effective, and has no ozone-depleting potential. Because of its excellent thermodynamic properties, ammonia systems are common in large facilities such as food processing plants, cold storage warehouses, and ice rinks. Although toxic in high concentrations with proper safety controls, it remains the industry standard for industrial refrigeration. Question 8. Which refrigerant is not commonly used in domestic refrigeration units? A. Water. B. Ammonia. C. Methyl chloride. D. Ethyl chloride. The correct answer is D. Ethyl chloride. Explanation: ethyl chloride, C2H5CEl, is not commonly used in domestic refrigeration units. Although it has properties similar to methyl chloride, its boiling point of 55.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 13.1 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure, makes it unsuitable for efficient operation in home refrigerators. This is why it was never widely adopted in domestic applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.